Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between two words, two nouns that describe that something happened or occurred by chance and unexpected. These two nouns are vagary and happenstance. Let's discern their difference together. Happenstance. It means that something happened or occurred by chance and quite common. For instance, there is a highway and there is two trucks on the highway, and one just slammed into another. And you can call it a car accident, a vehicle accident, or you can call it a happenstance. Why? Because even though no one was expecting it and everything was just fine, it is quite common to have car accidents on the road. To the next one, vagary. It's quite a tricky one, so here's the explanation. It means that something happened or occurred by a chance, but it's whimsical, totally and utterly unpredictable, out of ordinary. And I decided to provide for you a very good example. I hope you understand. There was a park ranger. His name was Roy Sullivan. He was a park ranger in the Shenandoah Valley, and he was struck by lightning 7 times. First time in 1942, and the next 6 times in just the span of 8 years, from 1969 to 77. You can call it a vagary. Why? Because there is the chance to get struck by lightning 1 in 1.2 million in one single year. But he was struck like 6 times in the span of 8 years. He was an unlucky man, but I think it was a very lucky example from me for you, provided to understand. And to summarize, happenstance happens by chance and common. Vagary happens by chance and not common. Whimsical, you can even say unrealistic, unbelievable, and so on. That's all the difference. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you next time.